Did you know there's a new feature for script writing right inside the TikTok platform itself? If you struggle to come up with new ideas for your videos, this tool is going to make it a lot easier for you. Plus, we'll share a handy trick for filming videos using these scripts. Let's take a look at how this works. This tool is designed to draft scripts for product or service advertisements on TikTok. To use it, it's necessary to have a business account. How does it work? You'll simply need to provide basic information about the product or service you want to promote, specify your industry, the type of video you'd like to shoot, its duration, and then add some keywords to give more context. After that, the script generator will create several customized scripts for you. How exactly does this work? First off, check if you have access to this feature. You can find it on TikTok's Creative Center website under the Creative Tools tab labeled Script Generator. If you're linked with TikTok for business, you'll have no issues accessing it. Do note that currently it's only available in English, so if your content is in another language, you may have to wait for more languages to be supported or translate the script to your preferred language. Once you open it, begin by choosing your industry. Then, input the specific product or service you want to promote and provide a detailed description. The more information the tool has, the better. Clicking on the Advanced Settings will reveal more customizable options. While these are optional, filling them in ensures a more tailored result. Choose the video format you want. Options include green screen videos, product demos in various settings with or without people, unboxing videos, functionality tests, or simply showcasing a product in the most suitable environment. You can also include up to 5 keywords to highlight the selling points or benefits of the product. Lastly, choose the video length. Options range from short videos, 15 to 30 seconds, to longer ones, 31 to 60 seconds. Once all the details have been provided, click on the Generate Scripts button. It'll then offer different versions based on the information you've supplied. Each script consists of 3 parts: the video's final hook, the main content, and the concluding call to action. Every script proposes a unique video style. For instance, it might suggest various characters discussing the product or just a voiceover detailing its benefits. Another impressive feature is that the content is split into 2 columns. One displays the dialogue or voiceover narration, while the other provides visual suggestions, including potential on-screen text or chirons. If you're not satisfied with the generated scripts, you can scroll down and click Generate More for additional script options. Adjustments can also be made in the design section, after which scripts can be regenerated. Now that you have your script ready, it's time to film. Depending on your script type, memorizing can be challenging. That's why we'd like to introduce a useful trick for recording longer content. All you need is the CapCut app. It's a comprehensive free video editor and can be more user-friendly than editing directly on platforms like Reels or TikTok. Apart from its project editor, if you click on the expand arrow, you'll see an option called Prompter. This lets you read out your script in a way that appears natural. Simply click on the pencil icon, then copy and paste your script text. You can also adjust the scrolling speed and font size for easy reading. You can position the text anywhere on the screen, but we suggest moving it as high as possible. This ensures more natural eye movement, so it doesn't look like you're reading. Then, just hit record and start reading. We hope the script generator will soon be available in more languages so that it can be seamlessly used for all your campaigns. If you're curious about how to monetize TikTok or are in need of tips to help you go viral on TikTok, check out the videos on screen. Subscribe to our channel and give us a like if you found this video helpful. See you in the next video.